Volkswagen today may be the most polarizing brand, and this ID Buggy concept is proof that sooner or later, everything old is new again. The original VW Buggy of the 1960s was a unique way to enjoy the open air and sand dunes, even though it was never actually manufactured by the German automaker. Those buggies were VW Bugs that were converted in the aftermarket world. The ID Buggy concept is exciting. It opens up the imagination, and it's 100% electric. This is just one of many EVs that will ride on VW's MEB all-electric vehicle platform. Here are the numbers on the ID Buggy. 62 kilowatt battery pack, 201 horsepower electric motor, mated to a single speed gearbox. Rear wheel drive because that's what beach buggies have, but the MEB platform also allows for a second motor to electrify the front wheels. 0 to 60 in 7.2 seconds, top speed 99 miles per hour, and driving range of 155 miles. VW has not definitively stated if it would build the ID Buggy concept in this fern green color or any other color for that matter, but they have stated that licensing the MEB EV platform to other companies who would act as coach builders is part of their business model. Stay tuned, but one clue that this may be less fantasy and more reality are the BF Goodrich all-terrain off-road tires, which are typically not used on concept cars. Every brand needs a halo car, and this could be the one for the German car maker who is focused on rebuilding its reputation and rebranding its image.